So we are off to Newcastle VegFest, and this is what I am wearing. Converse. I got these sort of chopped off, what do you call them, cut off Levi's black and white shirt. This is fat face, but I got this secondhand, these secondhand as well. But also I got some new sunglasses because I left my old ones in a taxi in Belfast. So I got these on recommendation from Madeline Olivia. In fact, the exact same ones, but it's this like eco-friendly, sustainable sunglasses brand called Pala, I think, Pala. What was really weird is on the website these were £70, which is a fair amount of money. And then I had a look on ASOS and I managed to find these for £25. And I don't know how that works, but I managed to get these £70 sunglasses for £25, so I did it. So anyway, we are going to Newcastle VegFest, which should be very exciting because food. I also really want to get like a vegan t-shirt, like with a slogan on it. Because I've got a big jumper with that says, what does it say? Don't be, what does it say? Don't hurt animals. No, it's not. Don't be someone who hurts. Stop hurting animals. Don't be... What the hell does it say? This isn't good, is it? I'm all about knowing your wardrobe well, and I don't even know what this jumper says. Where is it? Be one less person hurting animals is what it says. So I really like that, but the problem with it is that it is a jumper and it's summer. It's very, very warm, hence the shorts. So I'd like to be, you know, carrying the flag, but in a kind of cooler way. So if there is a t-shirt, I'm going to get myself a t-shirt. And the rest, I think, just should be edible things. So I'm taking a little bit of Tupperware because I don't want to have to buy any like disposable containers if I can help it. Oh yeah, this is cool. These are the sunglasses case that the Pala ones come in, and I think this is the name of the person who made this case. It's made of like plastic bags, but it's all sort of sewn and threaded together, which is very exciting. I like that. And then I'm just taking some tote bags. Yeah, I'm trying to get in the habit of carrying Tupperware around with me if ever I know I'm going to be eating somewhere, just because one, it's useful for leftovers, and two, if ever someone's going to try and give you like a polystyrene plate or, you know, something like that, then you have something to offer. You have something to use instead. I want to get myself some lightweight forks because currently I'm just taking the normal dinner forks. So if you have any suggestions for that, any like eco-friendly, maybe like bamboo ones or something like that, any recommendations, then please let me know in the comments because I'm looking to purchase. Vegan salmon. Yeah. This is our favourite place here. What? Yes. Yes, please. Dumplings. Holy, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. What? That looks really good. 1 pint pizza, sriracha mayo. Look at this.
What you got, Carmen?
Okay, so I got let's start at the bottom, shall we? I got a vegan salmon bagel with sushi, bit of wasabi, some soy sauce there, and the salmon is like, what she was doing is she was soaking nori paper and carrot in together, and it smells very good, and I tried one of the tasters and it was freaking lush. This, which you can't quite see, is a chicken katsu curry. We use the lids for pizzas, and so everything's covered in sriracha sauce, but that's just lovely.
Delicious sriracha sauce. Which
oh yeah, it was like a sriracha mayonnaise, it was lush. And also I got this cheesecake, which you can kind of just see, and what is really nice about this cheesecake as well is that I underpaid by 15p because I didn't have it, and he let me have it anyway, which is really nice. So I'm going to put his business up on here, and if ever you're in the area, make sure you go there.
Go and rob him as well.
Because I feel really bad, because I feel like I essentially stole from him. So yeah, let's support that business, whichever business it may be. Oh, also a load of chocolate bars, which I'll show you later, and some kimchi. Vegan first.
Watch out for the pins. That's my jumper, babes.
Not anymore.
I put it in the wash because of the cat hair.
Hi, baby girl. Hi. So I got this chicken katsu curry and this salmon bagel with, let me show you there. There's the, it's like carrot, and there's a couple of bits of sushi, and also this lemon cheesecake, which I'm very, very excited about. This smell, it all just smells so good. Really impressed that I managed to get the soy sauce home without spilling it as well. And this is the t-shirt I ended up buying. So we've got this nice animals equals human sign. And then ethically made, fair trade, transparent supply chain. And then on the back, equality over appetite. And then there's a human eye and a cow eye. Okay, so I really like the folded sleeves. Can you see? There you go. Isn't it all good?
My name is Armin, nice jumper, you are gorgeous, and you are compassionate. You're so compassionate.
Okay, so we've got coffee, and we are going to be trying these gluten-free vegan Cleo's peanut butter cups, which I feel are quite similar to Reese's peanut butter cups, but white chocolate, which is exciting.
We're doing it so you don't have to.
Yeah, because they're kind. Family photo.
Yeah, people do love. Oh, nice.
There you go.
Whoa, they're bigger than I thought. I thought it was like mini ones.
Oh, it's melty.
It's like a little sub disc.
Oh, chocolate cup. Oh, chocolate cup. Oh, chocolate cup.
There you go, it's focused. Scores out of 10. Just to leave myself some headroom, I'm going to give it an 8.5. It's very sweet.
It's very nice.
Delicious.
Where have these been made? Because it's like, we've got the like the ingredients are on a sticker as if it's been made abroad. Santa Fe! So they're American. God, I look really sweaty, don't I? Hello, I'm vlogging is what I'm doing. So this is going to be quite a big thing for me to get used to, but I'm doing it, and just to let you all know that I spend most of my time in this seat on this computer clicking about. I feel like there might not be the most exciting vlogs in the world, but I do like to talk, so hopefully that will be something. But there is something I would like to say at this juncture as well, which is just that in the last video I mentioned my sort of schedule, my intended schedule. So essentially the plan is to do 3 videos a week, and you may have noticed that I haven't uploaded anything in a while. And I feel like giving myself a schedule like that is going to be a really important thing for me to do, and it's going to be necessary, and I can do it. That's the thing, I know that I can do it, but it's this thing of like, I always used to think perfectionism was a good thing, because I thought it meant that you want everything to be perfect and that you were capable of perfection and that kind of thing. And then it is such a destructive thought pattern that I found myself at a point where the video it's uploaded, it's finished, it's edited, it's sitting there, but the idea of me going public with it and like publicly declaring that I'm going to be sticking by this new schedule makes me really scared, because it's like, what if I don't do it? I know what will happen if I don't do it. If I don't do it, then I just don't do it, and you guys are the best and you'll be understanding, and that's great. It's really problematic, this idea of needing everything to be completely perfect and completely sorted in any form. So whether it's like a creative work or even if it's just mentally, this idea of having something that needs to be absolute and finite and perfect and finished before you feel that you can present it with what I'm trying to do with, because obviously I am trying, I do want to grow my YouTube channel and I do want to upload more frequently. But it's a very, very, very destructive thought pattern for this particular game. I think I'm just gonna have to, like, you know, just go for it and just get it done. But I just wanted to share that with you all. I'm sorry about the state of this living room as well, by the way, but actually it's not that bad really, is it? Just doggy things, doggy towels, doggy blankets. We're a very doggy-based family at the moment. It's good. I'm enjoying it. It's very tiring. As a cat woman, I'm used to I just exist in the same house as animals. That's all you have to do with your job as a human, is to put the food down and then exist. With dogs, it's like, you gotta do stuff. Hi, we were just talking about you. We were talking about you, Beanie Boo. Oh, whoops, sorry. We were just talking about you, weren't we? I don't know what I'm wearing, by the way. I wore this cardigan for a video because I like the look of it here up, but then it doesn't close all the way, and then I've just got some tiny shorts on. It's a bit of a ridiculous outfit, but this is the beauty of being able to only show certain angles on a screen like this. So yeah, oh dear, there we go.
Billy, wiggly, wiggly, buttermy wood.
Hi, BBQ. Hi. We've just been for a walk, haven't we, sweetheart?
Yes, we have. We have been walking in the graveyard.
We are going to get some vegan chicken. So I thought I would show you what our options are because they do look pretty good. Okay, so this is the website. These are the options. This is Charles, and this is a dog.
Oi.
Oh, did you already bring the forks out? You're
I've
so
organised
keen.
everything. Well, we've got different sizes of chicken, 10-piece bucket. We've got chicken burgers, different types. We've got different types of kebabs.
Didn't they bring something new out? Is that the kebabs that they brought out? Oh,
they're specials. They're specials, so they're not currently out.
Oh, look at that pizza. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna
garlic mushrooms, fries.
We're gonna get some food.
No, she's going to be locked away while we eat.
Oh no.
Because it's too delicious for her.
It's so sad to be a doggy.
It'll be nice once she's gone, won't it? See it?
Bye.
Finally, gone. Oh, it is nice how she's come.
Well, I didn't add it. Did I add it?
No? Too busy flapping on?
Flat non.
Flapping on?
How much are the flat nons? Oh yes! Take away Monday 30% off. £11.69 off the bill. Boosh! This is my barbecue frickin' pizza. I'm not sure what type of cheese this is, but it looks amazing. Then this is Charles's some sort of meat feast type situation. Obviously all vegan. I think this is like the actual frickin' pieces, so that looks like the 5 one. So that's my one. And then we have some chips each. So we are gonna eat all of this food and watch The Greatest Showman on the projector. That is the plan, which feels like a proper holiday thing to do. So I'm very excited. I feel like the holidays have officially begun now. So it's the next day. We've just been for a walk, me and Bailey. Me and Bailey. Bailey is here. I don't know if you can hear her. I'm just having half a watermelon, which is very, very refreshing on a hot day like this. But I just wanted to quickly talk about The Greatest Showman, which we saw last night, as you know. So I work with children, and therefore The Greatest Showman has been a big part of my life, whether I liked it or not. And I thought it was going to be mint, and I thought I was going to really, really like it. And I didn't really like it all that much. Just as a film, I felt the narrative wasn't particularly strong and my connection to the characters wasn't particularly heightened. I found it really strange that there's a bearded woman in the film, and the bearded woman, on raising her arm, has completely clean-shaven armpits, and that was weird to me because it just seems to suggest the length of just how unacceptable it is for females to have body hair, that even when we are looking at a film with a bearded woman in it, she can't have armpit hair. Like, I just felt that specifically really highlighted something very bizarre about about the culture in which we live in. Like, it's so strange.
Branded, your position, heartfelt, social condition, not bad, but I have it any other way. Day and night, it's not the same as being wrong, right? There is surely grace, but sometimes sanity is easy and some things are never okay. As my words disperse like a flock of